Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your store region on Xbox Cloud Gaming. First, understand that your Xbox Cloud Gaming region is directly linked to your Microsoft account. This means any changes you make will affect all services tied to that account, including purchases and available content. It is important to note that you can only modify your account region once every 3 months, so choose wisely. Let's get started with the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft account website. You will need to sign in using the Microsoft account credentials that are currently linked to your Xbox profile. Once logged in, look for a section typically labeled your info or privacy within the account settings. This area is where you will find the necessary options to adjust your personal details. Within the Your Info section, you will find a setting specifically for country or region. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, carefully select your desired new region. It is crucial to ensure that any associated billing address or payment method information also aligns with the newly chosen country or region to avoid any service interruptions or issues. After selecting your new region and verifying all details, remember to save your changes to apply them to your account. For the new region settings to fully take effect within Xbox Cloud Gaming, you will need to restart your current gaming session. Please be aware that the availability of certain games and content can vary significantly between different regions, so some titles might not be accessible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.